Hey everyone, welcome to Rabia's Easy Drawing. Let's learn English alphabets. So first we are drawing A. Come on everybody, repeat with me. A. A. Next is B. B. After B we have C. A, B, C. D. We are drawing D. Now we are drawing E. E. E, then F. F. G. G. H. H. I. J. J. Next is K. K. Then L. L. Next is M. M. N. M. Then N. N. M. N. Now O. Repeat with me. O. Then we have P. P. Q. Q. Then R. 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 S. S. R. S. Then T. T. R. S. T. U. R. S. T. Then U. V. U. V. R. S. T. U. V. Then W. W. X. X. Y. Y. Z. Z. So wow, we done writing all the English alphabets. Let's learn colors. Yellow color, red color, pink color, green color, purple color, then blue color, then orange color. We are going to use these all colors. First we are gonna use red color. We are filling alphabet A with red color. Now we are gonna use yellow color. In alphabet B, I, P, W, we are done with yellow color. Let's use this cute green color. Let's open it. We are filling C, alphabet C, alphabet J, then alphabet Q with green color. Q, X, we are done with green color. Now we are gonna use which color? Okay, we are gonna use blue color. We are filling alphabet D with blue color. K, alphabet K, R, Y, done with blue color also. Now we are gonna use which color? So okay, we are gonna use pink color. We are filling alphabet E with pink color. Alphabet L, then S, alphabet S. We are filling alphabet S with pink color. Then C, we are done with pink color. Now we are gonna use red color. Let's open it up and fill alphabet F with orange color. M, so the last color we are gonna use is purple color to fill all the remaining alphabets like G, N and U. I hope you like this video and learn English alphabets. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. See you next time. Bye.